the wood element. Tree swaying. Trace the rib cage up your sides with your fingertips to the crown of your head, opening wide. Inhale as your hands rise up, and exhale as they open and release back down. Imagine the energy flowing up the ribs, the liver meridian, energizing your organs and expanding in all directions. Like water rising up from the roots to the trunk to the branches, and opening into leaves, flowers, and fruit. Transform this energy through your body. With each breath, releasing frustration or anger, letting it go with each movement. Imagine what type of tree you are. What type of potential is hidden within you. Allow this energy to unlock and to reveal your inner gifts. Like sprouts in the springtime, feel your energy expand and grow. As you tap into your individual energy, be aware of the many others around you and around the world who are right now practicing Qigong. Sense this forest of fellow companions moving with the same energy.